After I did the tutorial on how to make the tassel, I was sewing on the tassel and I realized you guys might want to see how I sew in my ends. So I've got one left. Let's do this. These, what look like knit stitches, actually represent purls on the other side. And what I like to do is I like to hide my ends in the purl stitches if I've got any kind of ribbing. So what I do is I grab my yarn through one leg of what looks like a rib. So I will go through and through. That whoosh, 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 almost whipping through there. And I'll pull the yarn through. And then in the same place, I go back up, but I make sure that I skip where I came out, because obviously I'll just start undoing it. And I also make sure that I actually split the yarn tail that I am weaving in places. So like right there, I've just split it a second time, and then I can go back up, I pull it, I kind of straighten it out, I clip it right here, and this is how I weave in on ends on anything that has purl on the other side. I love doing this for socks. It works really well.